We last left you exploring the amazing area of Sedona, from watching the sunrise over Cathedral Rock to gazing at the lunar eclipse from the Mescal Trailhead. It's safe to say we left a little piece of our hearts in Arizona. Since then, we've driven 327 miles southwest to Joshua Tree National Park. Today begins in this desert landscape of California, amongst the iconic twisted trees.
Beautiful day for it. It's 6:30 and we have made our way to Joshua Tree in California. Welcome to Cali, baby.
Yep.
It was a super windy night last night, like crazy windy. So much so that I was waking up sometimes because the van was shaking. But our heater was working and we're waking up to this beautiful sunrise. So I'm feeling very in love with our little home this morning. What you doing there?
I'm just getting time lapse here.
Being in the middle of a national park means we don't have any internet. And that is a blessing and a curse. I absolutely love that when we don't have it, there's no option but to hang out with each other and you can't check social media and all that kind of stuff. But on the flip side, we never do enough research. So we're kind of in the middle of Joshua Tree and thinking, let's start the morning with a nice hike. But like, where do we go? This is old school, baby. Let's figure it out. So I'm already ready, up, washed my face, got changed.
Hey, I've been shooting all those scenes you saw.
Are you ready for a great day?
Yes, ma'am.
This is gonna be the best day ever.
Always. I'm wondering if you guys can hear that wind. Whoa! Whoa! Hats down. I can't even shut the door.
Babe, you gotta get my hat. Please stop.
We've been watching a bit of Fargo here, eh? And safe to say I'm becoming a bit of an irritant when it comes to the Minnesota accent and the like. So today...
Try. Swap out of it, buddy.
So today we're doing a soy
Talk
yogurt.
normal!
We're doing a soy yogurt.
Buddy!
So windy out here. I don't know if that's normal, but like, I can't even get my door open. As far as our plan goes, there is none. We're just driving through Joshua Tree looking for stuff to do. But even like a couple minutes outside, the wind goes right through you. So.
But if you were hiking, it probably wouldn't be that bad. Once you get moving. That's a classic me thing to say.
I think we might be going for a hike.
I do remember hearing the words Ryan Mountain or reading them, and I just passed Ryan Mountain Trailhead. So hopefully one of these signs says something about it, because maybe we'll be down for that.
Well, it looks like one of the most popular hikes in the area. Please summarize.
Okay, it's looking like Ryan Mountain not only reaffirms life, but is a 2.8 mile round trip hike. I think the reason that this is rated pretty high is because once you get to the summit, you get a really nice panoramic view and you can kind of understand the lower versus the higher deserts and like all that kind of cool stuff.
The juxtaposition of...
Buddy doesn't know the word juxtaposition and it was on the board, so we're also learning new words today, aren't we, Boo? What do you think it means?
How many hours is this gonna take?
It says 2 to 3, but I think we can do it in 2.
Well, let's get it.
We are not even 1 second into this hike and I hear crunching behind me. Are you hungry? We just ate.
Yeah.
Or is that just like something to pass the time?
Keep me entertained.
Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I believe this is the only place in the world where you can see Joshua trees, and that's why this is a national park. This is what we call our baby Joshua, isn't it, buddy? Baby Joshua. Kind of looks like a palm tree, and then it's an artichoke on top.
Yeah, now that I'm looking at it, it's more like a pineapple vibe, but...
Yeah, it's got pineapple heads. Yeah.
This here's a teenager, Joshua. You know, starting to break out of his family routine, starting to go by the name Josh, that kind of thing.
Hey, Josh.
He's starting to get a girlfriend on the side. How's the audio in this clip? To the top, baby, to the top! It's so cold! How you doing? Have fun up there, it's a windy one.
Okay, so that might not have been the perfect conditions for a hike like Ryan Mountain this morning, but I don't regret it one bit because there's nothing like getting outdoors and getting exercise in. How about you, boo?
That's a real juxtaposition you got me.
It's a big smile you got on your face.
No, it was amazing. Thank you for dragging my butt out there.
Yeah! You know, when I used to teach fitness growing up in my university years, my famous line was always, the hardest part is over, now let's get fit. Because getting to the gym or just getting clothes to go up the mountain is the hardest part. So I challenge you to go to the gym or do something that you kind of feel like you'd rather just sit on the couch instead.
Right now, turn off this video and get going. Actually, maybe wait till the end of the video and then get going.
And to round out the Joshua Tree family, we've got Papa Schwa, Grandpapa Schwa. So look at how big these get. For perspective, I come up to about here. We're about 2.5 hours outside of LA, which is our next destination. And we thought we'd put in some miles, and then we said, are you hungry? Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
We're hungry. So 2 minutes into the drive, we've pulled over just on the side of the road, really, and we're heating up some chili for lunch.
Yeah, we're doing minor upgrades here to the chili. I'm just adding another can of tomatoes and lentils.
Nice one. Hot spanking lunch. Thank you very much.
Hot spanking.
Oh, good. Huh?
It's really good. Great little upgrade. Okay, let's get back on the road.
What's up, home skillets? We made it to LA! That's when you said, yay! Buddy's making us a smoothie and we just lucked out massively. So we are in need of a shower. I put in Planet Fitness, and right beside the Planet Fitness...
Guess what there is? Guess.
Guess.
A laundromat.
Good guess.
Thank you.
There's a laundromat.
I haven't even been in LA for an hour. We're already drinking matcha smoothies. I think we'll fit in just fine. You ready to get into the den?
I'm embarrassed of what I might be picking up, how dirty it might be. So, things that didn't make it into the bag that fall deep, deep in there, we have to use the tongs and go get it. That's funny.
Anything else in there?
Yeah, definitely. Oh, sugar! I had to call in the big leagues here. Nice! Good one! Yes!
That's it.
Yeah?
That's it.
Good job, my love.
Let's wash those tongs. They grabbed all your thongs. Very convenient location for this laundromat. And laundromats, they do come in all shapes and sizes. Some capable with Wi-Fi, some better quality than others, some rip you off on detergent. Let's see what we're dealing with today. You won't believe it, but that laundromat didn't even sell detergent. So, I kind of feel like we're in Mexico. Where are we?
We're in LA.
They're speaking Spanish.
There's like Mexican music.
We don't even need to go to Baja. The series is over. Look what's nuevo.
Come on, man, let's go.
24 minutes, we're gonna head over to Planet Fitness, have a quick shower, and then change it over to the dryer. Seems like you picked a very convenient Planet Fitness location.
I'm so freaking stoked on that.
You just love getting two birds stoned at once, huh?
I do.
Feeling like a champ. Someone asked me the other day, don't you get sick of always showering at gyms? And the answer is yes. There's always a point where you first get in there, you're like, oh, what has happened to my life? What am I doing? Then you walk out, you feel just as good anyway.
I was feeling so peaceful after a nice shower, and I came back and I saw my buddy moving everything from the washer, and I thought, oh, that's so nice. And he put it all in the washer again, spent $350 on the wash, and then I realized it was a washer. So now we're out $350 and we have to move. Thanks for trying.
I'll never do it again. How about that?
No. I love clean beds.
It's a pretty genuine smile on her face.
Because I love them.
So I think we're gonna go out for dinner tonight. Highly recommended. One place was Mohawk Bend. Looks like we've got a 14-minute delay. So
yikes.
is that just the LA way?
I think so.
Vlogging at a public restaurant is always proven to be a little bit more difficult than you'd think, between the bad lighting and the loud environment. I'm not sure how much we're gonna film here, but we'll definitely show you what we get. This is the Impossible Meat Burger. It's called the Little Mohawk. These are French fries. I think they call them freedom fries here in LA.
Pepperoni pizza, dude.
I've never been out for dinner with Beck. This is the server in her. Always wipes down the table and makes it very easy for the...
He's working so hard.
He's a legend. I'm gonna give him a fatty.
I've noticed that he's serving every table in this room. So
yeah, he's a beauty.
I appreciate you. And that's the little things you can do for servers. If you've never served before, you wouldn't quite understand, but once you have, you kind of never go back. You've always got that mindset, right? So.
If you guys like that, smash the thumbs up. $12 cauliflower tacos. Eliminate that next time you come here.
Not worth it.
For that price for a pizza though, unbelievable.
Yeah, pizza.
Literally unbelievable.
I get 2 of those.
Yeah. So, also our homeboy server was unreal, so probably gonna throw down a fatty.
All right, so we've pulled off into the residential areas, but I'm seeing signs that say neighborhood watch. And while I mean, I'm happy for people and I love that they're watching out for their neighborhood, and I think that's really great. But it also spooks me to think that they'll be spooked out by us, and I wouldn't want to do that to anyone. So maybe if we could find like a little park in the area, that'd be ideal, you know? And we could park up next to that. We found the perfect spot, a little house that's under construction, so I don't think anyone's sleeping in there. We won't, whoa!
Buddy, you don't want the waves.
I didn't have any waves.
Sorry.
I was just saying how happy I am to have clean sheets, our bed all made, my hair washed. It is so the little things when you live in a van, isn't it, bub?
Hopefully the neighborhood's not watching.
Okay, let's sign her off, huh?
All right.
We hope you guys enjoyed coming along the road trip to LA, and I hope you've been enjoying the Baja Bound series so far.
Let's go ahead and not.
You don't like when I'm tickling your beard? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye, guys. Wait, did they like and subscribe and everything?
I don't know. It's up to them.